Wings of grace, lift me to your place. In the stillness of the air, I feel your presence there. You whisper to my soul, you are whole. Every shadow falls behind. Your love renews my mind. I spread my heart so wide. In your light I fly. You lift me through the haze. Your mercy light has lost its hold. Your glory now unfolds. Every tear the night a song you've overthrown. I stand beneath your glow, the only truth I know. Your mercy never fades, it lights my day. Through every rise and fall, I see the edge of day. Your grace leads every way. The ocean meets the sky. Your promise never dies. Through distance I can feel your presence calm and real. My heart begins to rise to endless skies. You stretch beyond my sight. You turn the dark to light. Forever I will stand in your hand. You turn a horizon wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory all around. Eternal horizon, pure and true. All my hope returns to you. Forever all horizon, eternal horizon. Your light unfolds the sea, revealing destiny. Every breath I take, your glory wake. The morning fills my veins with hope that still remains. Your presence draws me near. I have no fear. You stretch beyond my sight. You turn the dark to light. Forever I will stand in your hand. Eternal horizon wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory all around. Eternal horizon, pure and true. All my hope returns to you. Forever all horizon, eternal horizon. Beyond the ends of time, your love will still shine. No ending, no divide. You're by my stand. Eternal horizon wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory all around. Eternal horizon, pure and true. All my hope returns to you. Forever all horizon, eternal horizon. Eternal horizon, your light goes on. Eternal horizon. Breath of dawn. carry me on. When the night begins to fade, your mercy's newly made. The shadows lose their hold, your promise unfolds. I lift my eyes once more to see what's been restored. Your peace awakens me like waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers, rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of dawn, your light paints the sky in gold. Stories of grace retold. The earth begins to sing to its holy King. Your spirit stirs the air, a love beyond compare. You're all my heart adores, forever yours. Your peace awakens me like waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers, rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of dawn, let your mercy fall like rain. Wash away the pain. In the stillness I belong within your soul. rise of dawn. Heavenly beings, deep praising me in the silence of the soul. Your rhythm makes me whole. Every pulse a sacred sound. Your presence all around. When the night begins to glow, your spirit starts to flow. Every breath becomes a hymn. I give it all to Him. You lift my heart so high. Through every tear I cry. Your mercy fills the space. A symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats. With my soul in heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Heavenly beats. Heavenly beats. When I dance beneath your grace, I feel your warm embrace. Every note a spark of fire, lifting my desire. Through the night your spirit moves. In your rhythm my heart grooves. All creation sings along to heaven's endless song. You lift my heart so high. Through every tear I cry. Your mercy fills the space. A symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Where my soul in heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Your love in motion, waves of grace. Your spirit fills this place. I'll praise you high above, in never-ending love. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Where my soul in heaven beat. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Heavenly beings, deep praising me waves of praise rolling through my soul. In the quiet of the sea, your spirit covers me. Every tide a holy sound, your mercy all around. The stars reflect your light through every sleepless night. In the deep I feel you near, whispering I'm here. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. Waves of praise. Waves of praise. When the dawn begins to gleam, you awaken every dream. Through the storm and through the rain, your peace remains. Every tear you turn to grace, your love fills every space. I'm carried by your flow wherever you go. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. Waves of praise. Your spirit moves like ocean wind, her beginnings never end. Grace unfolding, hearts awake, your love the tide I take. Waves of praise. 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 Every shadow fades away when your mercy lights my way. I surrender to your hand where I understand. glorious flow. Your peace like water runs beneath the rising sun. My soul begins to know your endless flow. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow, through my soul you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Every doubt begins to fade. In your arms I'm unafraid. Grace like rivers finds its way through night and day. Your love moves silently, a sacred melody. I rest where peace can grow in glorious flow. Your peace like water runs beneath the rising sun. My soul begins to know your endless glow. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow, through my soul you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Let it move within my heart. Your light will never part. I'm caught inside your grace, in your warm Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow, through my soul you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Glorious flow. Let your presence glow. Glorious flow. Heaven's whisper, calling me home. stillness I can hear a voice that draws me near. Through shadows you remain, speaking peace again. Your words fall soft and slow, like light on morning snow. Each breath becomes a prayer. You're always there. You move within the calm. You're the healing in my sound. Every silent tear you trace with gentle grace. Heaven's whisper, sweet and low, through the night your mercy beats through every heart that knows you. Breathe and I awaken by your word unshaken. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the